Well, hi there, folks, and welcome to this week's ABCs of Lean, where every week you get a new term to help you learn about Lean and Six Sigma vocabulary. This week, we're going to discuss the term strategy. So let's turn to the Lean and Six Sigma glossary on Lean Strategies International, LLC, and get started. Strategy is defined as a plan or method chosen to bring about a desired future, such as the achievement of a goal, objective, countermeasure, or solution to a problem. In other words, strategy reveals how you will inspire or marshal all of your resources to come together in an efficient and effective manner while working towards a defined mission or goal. You can learn more about strategy by visiting our online courses and selecting the one you like the most.